Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we will be learning how to fix Aer Lingus application not working on your Android device. There might be several reasons why your Aer Lingus application is not responding whenever you try to open up the app on your device. No matter what your problem are, here are some general troubleshooting methods you can follow to resolve the issue. The first thing you'll need to ensure is that you are running the latest version of Aer Lingus application. Outdated application might sometimes malfunction, so in order to download the latest version of Aer Lingus, tap open your Google Play Store application. Now go to the search box at the top and type in Aer Lingus. In the search result, open up this application and check if there is an update button available. If there is one, tap on the update button in order to download the latest version of Aer Lingus. Once you download the updated version of Aer Lingus, tap on Open. If the problem still continues, you can go ahead and restart your phone. Go ahead and press your power button for your Android device and then restart your device. Once you do that, launch open the Aer Lingus application and see if that fixes the issue. If the issue still persists, then consider clearing your app cache and data. Go ahead and press hold the Aer Lingus application from your app drawer and tap on App Info. In the App Info page, tap on Storage. Now click on Clear Cache at the bottom right and click on Clear Data at the bottom left. Tap on OK in the pop-up, and then, after you clear out cache and data from your application, go ahead and launch open the Aer Lingus app once again and see if that fixes the issue. Also ensure that your phone has a stable internet connection, since poor internet connection can disrupt the app's functionality. Try switching to Wi-Fi or your cellular data, whichever one is available to you, and once you have a stable internet connection, you will be able to resolve your issue. So those were some of the fixes you could try and follow if you're going through your Aer Lingus application not working on your Android device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.